The Bremen Town Musicians. Dear children, let's learn to read this lesson. Once there was a donkey who had worked long and hard for his master. Now he had grown weak and could not do much work. So his master began to treat him unkindly. He even began to starve the donkey. He wanted to save the money he spent on the donkey's food. In the end, the poor donkey left the house. He believed he still had a good, strong singing voice, so he decided to go to Bremen town and earn his living as a town musician. On the way, he met an old dog. He too had been kicked out of the house by a cruel master. The dog was afraid. "How will I earn my bread?" he said. "Why, you have a voice as good as mine," said the donkey. "Let us both go to Bremen and sing for the townspeople. We shall be well paid there." So the two companions went on together. Suddenly they heard a cat mewing sadly with tears in his voice. "Why are you crying?" they asked. "How can I be happy knowing that my mistress is going to drown me? I am old and would only like to sit by the fire and sleep. I cannot catch mice as I did before, so my mistress does not need me any more. Where am I to go?" "Come with us to Bremen. You have a sweet voice and you know night music. You too can be a town musician," said the donkey. Now the three travelled together for some time till they came upon a farmyard. There they heard a cock's loud wailing. When they made inquiries, the cock told them, "My mistress is preparing a feast for her guests. She had told the cook to kill me for the feast. I am so frightened." So the donkey invited the cock too to join the band of musicians. Bremen was still a long way away. On the way, they had to cross a forest. As it began to get dark, the cock flew to the top of a tree to look around for shelter. He saw an old house among the trees. The four friends decided to rest there for the night. It was quite dark by the time they reached the house. Through the window, they saw some robbers feasting at a large table inside. The animals had a clever idea. Why not give their first performance here? The robbers would be so pleased that they would happily share their food with the four musicians. They might even pay them for their performance.